Okay, can you guess the decade it's from?
40s.
Close. Older though.
30s. Or 20s.
Yep, 20s. And you get a Werther's Original.
Oh, thank you.
Right here.
Perfect.
You want to try the next one?
Which way?
There's another one here. And Twizzlers came out in this decade here. So here's a Twizzler if you want it.
Oh. What's that?
It's like this candy came out in that decade. Twizzlers.
50s.
Close. Later than that.
60s.
Yep, 60s. Early 60s. So you pretty much got it. And then there's one more if you want to try it.
Sure.
Oops, that one didn't work. All right, resit in it if you can. Sometimes it's like it just doesn't trigger right. Okay, there it is.
I'm going to say the tens. I mean the knots.
Pretty much, yeah. 2000 on is what I was going for. Thank you.
Oh, good. I got one
You
right.
pretty much guessed them all, I think.
Close.